Alright, taking a quick look here. This TH7023 this is what you call helping hands. This is for welding, multifunctional desktop, welding magnifier. Let's open the box, let's see what's inside the box. So it comes on this zip bag. So this is what comes in the box. As you see, you get a USB charger here, and that's because there's a light over here. There's two LED lights. Adjust it here, where you want it, all the way from up there. You get this here that you could rotate. And all these little tools here, and brackets to tie this up. Put this down. Put this on top of here. To put whatever you want, hold it there. To solder it. 360 degrees. So these parts here, you see the holes, you go ahead and put these ends here, one on each side, and tight. That way you can move it as you want. To tie it up, this part here also, you can move it sideways, whatever, if you have something big, there you go. See, so it holds in here, it stays right there. Hold it here and over here. Just tie this up so it won't move up and down. This part over here is to put the soldering iron here. This one also you could use to press something here, just to put something there. So do the same thing on this side. Just put it here, hold it, and then put this one here and tight. Easy. So this is cool because if you want to, let's say that you want to solder something together, let's put it here. This is just an example. Let's put something like this, and over here like this, and just solder there. Let's say you want to solder two cables together here. Just put one there, the other one over here. Just adjust it the way you want it. Take the magnifying glass down. There you go. About that. Perfect right there. So you also have the light here with the LEDs. You could adjust also this other part over here if you want it higher. And this is where you plug the USB cable power. Can you press the helpful button under this review? That way I know someone watched the video. Can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.